Hello from the other side. Oh my goodness. Vanhu vanozomboda vanhu vanobva vandifunga kuti ndakavenga munhu handina kumbovenga munhu naimi. Why should I hate someone? Munoziva inini ndichingotaura zvozvona queen vati chino queen handina kumbovenga anybody. I love everybody. You know, like some people say, oh queen, makavekirei baba Harare. Okay, like me, the whole me. Kuvenga baba. Why? Hi, it's been a minute. Hi, you guys. How are you doing, everybody? Hi, sweetheart. I miss you so much. When you say I'm disappointed, I'm kind of. Hi, how are you doing? How's your Sunday? How is your Sunday? Same chinakavenga munaini. Ndikangotaura zvangu nyaya. And everyone was saying, I said, Queen, hi, sweetheart. How are you doing? Boy, chimama, bo. I miss you so much. How are you doing? You know, I just get like, you looking good. Every day. It's my mom, my manager, Munya. Almost every day. I'm doing good. You know, big shout out to Beatrice Savage. A big shout out to the patients. You know, I love you guys. And you're my people. You my PP. I love you. Peace, Wanda. I love you so much. Dr. P. Now is Dr. P. You know, I love you too. You know, say me, you looking good and sexy. From when did I know was a shoe and but how did you like the album? Was it good? It's a glow. I was not bleach, so definitely I must be glowing. Definitely. Moro Tati, how are you doing? How are you doing? I was not bleach, so I must be glowing. Hi Tati, my one and only. Yeah. So I was just giving an update. You know, Baba Harare, if you are watching, please, that girl, I use type yako. That's in the way to like clarify. Oh, the stars already. Sorry. Sorry, Tana doesn't like it. Do you know that your queen is now working in the cabin? That's why I cannot do my live thing. Oh my God, the love is so pouring. I love you too. I love you so much. It's been a minute. You know, I hope magafarira album. I hope this magango ano masonga muno farira. You know, and a big shout out to my manager Munya. You know, maybe I'll play some songs along the way. I don't know, but a big shout out to the whole team. The Royal Pocket Band from Fari to Sawira Pioro, Tay to the Mozi, Sekou Carlton, and you know, everybody. You know, the executive producer Munya, thank you for the support. I am grateful. And Mama it's just Mama that's it. But Tate, why do you hate Baba Harare? No, I don't. I don't. Baba Harare on anyway, what I was saying is, Baba Harare, I beg of you, make a choice again. Chinoitika vaimbi vedu vemuZimbabwe vanenge vatora munhu nenyekuti vanenge vasina chikoro. Baba Harare haana kufunda kawe kufundana kana all level kana ZJC haana yeye handinyasoziye history yake asi musuwo wechikoro haana saka munhu anenge angoita kukumba mukadzi wawina yeuya to tell you the honest truth akaona munhu ane mari unosiyiwa because you cannot maintain that girl. That girl, I know musikana wekumasvingo wekumethodist rosa whatever pandakaita history check up yemusikana we but musikana you can never take care of that girl. You understand? So iwe babara, please. Kana vanhu kumusha kwenyu vachiri vapenyu ngavakurayire because iwe unoda mukadzi anenge anochengeta musha because kudanana nemunhu weband it's not easy. It's not easy. Baba Harare uchatoa the whole world, uchaenda ku America, uchaenda ku Australia, uchaenda kuno and ukaona kana zvangu wakapfeka ku album raMatthias Mary kuita kumedzwa nejacket ndiratizva that who does that kuita kumedzwa nejacket why baba Nei baba Olua Jesus what is going on angaketa kuitwa swallow is ininanga all right musaone show yangu yana inini mkana mwangu amenera mimi ndajana ujikamboro unoza you swallow baba Harare was swallowed murume mukuru the whole baba Harare the kukumva wapusa kungenerera ndikavuka moro nerera moro kana ukanditi moro nerera moro newe uchava nerera moro ndakambotomuimbira nemoro nerera you looked like an orphan baba you looked like an orphan who does that unoze level rawawaire baba Harare ka chiro kanzwa kuimba gospel but the brand should mean you are Baba Harare for life. Right now you are looking like a child Harare. Mwana Harare. I mean, unika kupusi kwaide usati urutsanya mutsanyi wakanyetese. Mutsanyi ukuthi wakumedzwa nemabachi. Kana uri mu out akagara iko out mbama kugara ku church kwako usabude public. If God has really called you ukuthi you are having koinonia. If you are having koinonia, stay in the koinonia. Kana ukabuda panze we will ridicule your look. Who does that? Vanhu vese vaitenderera kangocha nekapaka tunana mosha twaitenderera tuchijamba iwo ngokoti va who does that? Anamba kuvenga baba Harare. Yeah, please dzosera mwana wevaridzi uyayo kumasvingo udzosere utsvage zvakadzi zvaicheka mhata zviya pamagenerator pamabhitiri kwana ubvoita kunge waona mwari wegoldi mwari wese watingona ndiye mwari watotoze baba Harare utomboita kunge ndichiko kutendeuka kwakwayo kunonyanyoshamisa too much kunobva Jesu no let's just be honest about it kuti kunoshamisirei kutendeuka kwake. Yeah, sambo waita kunge mwari anga asiko usati upanga uri kuJegypt mwari anga agara ariko iwo ngausingangomuziye but mwari agara ariko baba Harare but don't lose yourself out of ezvino kuJegypt hakusina anoridza that gap wasirani enda unoimba Egypt uchimba dzechechi neJiti kana David akatotamba akabvisa hembe musati makuziya bhaibheri kamurana mafikezo David akatotamba zvekubvisa hembe baba Harare kuti chikwe please chill down nachida kungoita hangu just kanwa kuti people would say Queen Makaba andina kuvenga baba Harare I will never. It's impossible. I don't know because it's going to kind of second trimester. I shall be moving. I shut up. You understand? Say one time. You understand? Yeah. It's not good at all. Baba Harare. Yeah, mwana uya has we class yenyu. You understand, sweetheart? Has we class yako, baby. Apana kakuvenga. We are not against whatever you want, but career and wakona ezvino anonzana uyu pane anozviti comrade comrade something aifamba signal just signal I like just signal because ndowirirana na manager wake whatever anonzana punchline ndowirirana punchline pana aituka just signal kuti anorwara musamudaro sigi yeah chero mukazi yauti just signal anorwara so murwere kaso atitaka ngopinda mu industry music industry ambaza azwa na mai manka You know, so ndo zvamuna mama musadaro just now. Ndakanzwa post iyo ndategwa zvendategwa. Let's stand with just now. Ezvino ane mukadzi munyowani. Let us be happy about him. Please. Hanzi, you understand? So let us not hate. Let us not hate. There is no reason of you, Vanhu, munovenga jasignal. Yes, jasignal chigulan. So what? Inini ndi nature wele. Inini am HIV positive. But you embraced me. So embrace I jasignal. Yeah, zvakaoma zveshuwa kuzaziva chirwere nemwe munhu. Yeah. And so, Baba Harare, but on a serious note, Baba Harare, teach them serious. Just on a serious note, just on a damn serious note. You know, I didn't plan to do a live today, but Msato Botankana Junior Wally 10. What? Wally bullshit. I'm Team Volts. Wally 10, I don't know. Magona Pakabuda, my chats, oh my goodness, don't even start about that rubbish. Wally what? Holy bullshit. Rubbish. Ani makamanzo akamba taura ku page ku inbox kwa wiki now. Shikanzi ndikuparadza dzimba dzavana. Like hold me. Me Mono Virginia. Hold me. Kuparadza dzimba me. Please stop it. Holly, if you are watching me, listen. Dai nishine mporo yangu, you know. My 27 centimeters mporo ningadai ndakakupa wakagonoko shira. It's holy crap. Because in mporo yangu ya mira ngeni 27. You ladies, you know when I say I'm 27. You know when I say 27. Chill down, baba time. You understand? Yeah. Yes. It was 27 centimeters. It was Yamira. Look at Yamira. Yamira. Yeah. Imi. As Munoni. Yes. You understand? So, hold me. So, akavaira holy crap. And but out of I know that I can't take delicious. I don't parents, but blah this and that. And the Tom Paradza. The jazz of Farisados of Buliki Sira in Borea, the China picture, and Boromi. When I think I'm going to quit it. To sham sika tumwari kandi po mwana mkomani ina mtafiro kumurukwe kwa maitanya bamnino maitanya bamni baba ya office oshaya ne matambudziko condolences ya kumuri kwa madam kune finance ne matambudziko ya matambudziko kumuri kwa madam ya ne matambudziko semkwasha nzotawa ne matambudziko you know, and goes into go Maxim na mama shinza kumuri kwa mukadzi wako kwa chiwa ndikazana matambudziko, you know. I just had to say it. Yeah, but nansinga kunokwira, you know, people will ask me, why did you change to become a woman? Nansinga ndogona age no ntine age ndinogona kuchanisa age. But when I used to have a dick, I didn't know how to use it. So I don't think I simporo ndisinga gona kuchanisa. There's no nanny couple pins. I don't feel that. I'm feeling myself. You know, but anyway, guys, I'm going to give a disclaimer. Mukazo ndoyenga. Delicious anaboyenga anybody. I and nakuyenga anyone. I love everybody. And you know, Baba Harare, it's vanhu vanenge vachiona vanhu vanenge vachichika kutaura chete kungoti vachikudza ichokwadi kuti what you are doing muri kurasika muri kutaika, you know. But that being said, maisa basa, yeah, you know, tafirwa kwa mchema kune muri kune ramo bamsika kana vari bamnini vamaitanya vanenge vari tezvara tizvara, you know, tizvara vashaya. So yeah, so nematambudziko. And yeah, but besides that, I hope you love the album. Tichayanzozoita live zvakanaka tichidandaura maspeaker, and I hope you love the songs dzandakabudisa. You know, that's one thing which I was so proud of. Even at least this year, something came up and takabudisa. You know, oh, this is speaking. Thank you so much. Takabudisa album, and we'll be so happy. And please just continue to stream it on Spotify, on YouTube, on all the music platforms, so that next year chikwini chinenge chakuenda kumato kuna nazimfest keke titapisiko kuma, you know, you understand what I mean? You know, it's a vibe. And you know, oh my god, it's on Spotify. Yes, it is on Spotify. It is on no Google, but see the home, and all the 9 songs will definitely pop out. You know, so it's on Spotify. Let's hands on. So I don't need share me. And your songs are good. Thanks. That's my first album. And I'm grateful that you guys, oh my goodness, the support you've been giving me, it's fantastic. It's really fantastic. And I love you. So guys, I just wanted to make a disclaimer. So if there's somebody who's going to bring you to Delicious and beef no babara, no. Apana shaka ntazira mfeso. But sometimes no bobvisa ukazi doita murume tumupana na advice wakazi sevarume arakutaza. That was no. We're proud of you. Okay guys, there we go. I'm just going out with you know who, you know, but I just wanted to tell you, you know, babara andina beef newe. I'm going to a wrong decision. Mukadzi uya ass type yako. Andite. Love you guys. Kisses. Okidaki bye. Makaniko share. Mufu. Get. I love my people. Bye people. Ngora mamishita kumuchinyora sego. Kona imeona yakuramba kuba. Charo ndime yakuramba kuba. Ikuramba baba.